can hear you also. All right. You finish your English exam.
No, it actually got postponed to tomorrow, but I've already done my preparations. It's fine.
Okay, right. Expect that. Updates on.
We again ventured into territory that we haven't explored yet. So there's stuff that I don't understand. So I guess we can go through that.
Right. So it's not just CERT anymore. It's something else that's now worrying you, lah.
No, it's just more trigonometry.
Right. Okay. Good. Understand.
There are surds, but I'm understanding like a bit like rationalization.
Right. We'll take some time on this Sunday lah to finish up the cert. So today I want to at least cover a bit of the cert and a bit of the trigonometry so that you feel that you can follow the class. That's our goal.
But also I actually have a scan of the next worksheet. So I was thinking, right?
That's CG, right?
Yeah, no, the next worksheet isn't CG.
Okay.
The next worksheet is find it.
Right. Before you continue,
Yeah.
Aryan, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Aryan, what do you want to do today?
A few plain geometry questions.
Right, the circle thing.
Quite challenging.
Is that for exam or is that really for the current topic?
It's for exam as well.
Fair enough. Right. Kakak Brian,
Yes.
would you try that? That's the AMAT circle angle thingy lah.
I'm not sure. Like, real.
Yeah, I know. It comes back this year, you see. So everybody will be asking that. So try your best first. It's a bit of a surprise, I know, but that's because we are very rusty, I understand. But try first. If you feel that you're missing a lot, then come back immediately. Okay?
Sure.
Right. So Aryan, focus with Kakak Brian on the breakout room. Okay? Okay, Aryan, Kakak Brian in the room. Okay. Right. So for Ainesh, your video first, yeah? Video first, right? So I thought I'm seeing your sheet just now. That was wrong. Okay. Michael, you finish your mother tongue oral.
Yeah.
Right. Everything about mother tongue is currently finished now.
More or less, yeah.
Okay. Oh, what do you think so?
About what?
The mother tongue.
I mean, like the topic that they asked for. So oral is just oral is basically just like conversating with people. I would say I'm a decent conversationalist, but that's in English. So
I would say that.
I mean, the funny thing is, I understood like all the questions that they asked, but even though I had a lot of content in my head, I can't say it out because I don't know a lot of words. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I couldn't say a lot on that. Also. Good to know that you went through it. Right. So we're just waiting for the results. Yeah. All right. So for today, Michael, any other exam upcoming? Sorry.
English oral, but I don't really have to care about that.
So no current, urgent need on math or anything like that?
No.
All right. What do you want to do today?
I would ask for AMF, but I think I've got the kinematics thing a little bit down. So I'm going to go with what's it? Vectors.
That's fine. Oh, just yeah. Okay, yeah. Be with Kakak Brian first. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Today a bit relaxed. Yeah. Today a bit relaxed.
Do I go to the breakout room?
I'm assigning you. Yeah. There you go. There. So,
Okay.
Ainesh, can I see you? Oh, Aryan. Aryan, you're back. Aryan.
Hey, can I know I really don't know how to do.
Can. Understood. Understood. Be with Michael instead. Okay.
Okay, sure. Just the same room, is it?
Yeah. So you'll be with Michael and Noah. Okay.
Okay, sure. Okay, okay.
Right. So I received some update from Noah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ask Aryan to. Oh, okay. Aryan's here. Okay. Okay. So Aryan, you're here with me, and Ainesh, now I can see your video. Yeah. So Ainesh, I'm still waiting for the worksheet. Show me first. I'll do something with Aryan first. Yeah. Right. So, Aryan, your question is what, part B, is it?
Yeah, part B.
Okay. So, but Ainesh, do finish your dinner lah first. Yeah. Do finish and show me the worksheet. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. CB is parallel to OT. Okay, I understand. Okay. So you did have that lah. So the CB parallel OT, we're guessing will be very useful lah, right? Okay. So prove that a circle with diameter OT can be drawn to pass through A and B. Oh, they're trying to do that. Okay, right. Okay. Okay, keeping it very simple. If you prove that, sorry. Wait. Now, there's no, I have to give you very small hint. Try, Ariana, try imagining the triangle. Try drawing the circle first. Draw a circle that passes, that does all these things. Try first. Use pencil. Okay. Ainesh, I'm not looking at your worksheet. Can I see any worksheet? Even as you're eating,
So firstly, we learned about this.
The cosecant one, right? Aryan is not passing through B, yeah? Okay, that one I can accept, right? Okay, accept, right? Moving on to the next page first. Let me see what's going on here. Move to the next page, Ainesh. Flip.
For me, okay.
Right, yeah, okay.
Then we did this more of the things.
Sure, that those strange secant, cosecant and stuff, sure thing. And then you have the cosecant and stuff, yeah. Okay, and then moving on to the next page.
And we did, so I learned how to rationalize this like this.
Which is the third thingy, yeah. Aryan, your diameter is not OT, yeah. Your diameter is not OT. So you're not imagining the circle properly. The diameter of the circle is OT, right? Okay, then example 6, let me see.
Yeah, this question I don't understand.
Okay, before we even so at least you realize, or at least the class talks about this as a triangle question, right? This is a very common format and presentation of a triangle question. You may not know how to do it, but this is a triangle question. That one at least you can accept. If you cannot, please tell me. Please tell me.
What do you mean by triangle? You mean this, right?
Those things are the quadrant, the quadrant. Okay, triangle. Fine. And then there's homework. Show me your homework. So Aryan, that is a good circle. That is a very good circle. So all this homework you should be doing.
It's due next Monday.
Very good. So at least I will prepare you at least so that you can do this. That would be nice, right?
Yeah.
Now, are you still eating?
No, I can do it.
Right.
Like it doesn't matter if you're meeting or not.
Right. I want you to have a little bit of warm up and try to do.
Wait, what was this question? Because I just copied on the answers. I actually don't know how to do it.
No problem. I will have to explain to you. No, I have to explain, and hopefully today.
Yeah.
Now, warm me up with question 2 first. Homework question 2. Now, my question is very simple. Is that triangle or not?
It is.
Good. Now try question 2 and ignore secant. Never mind. You cannot. Okay. Sorry. No. This is easy for you. You know that secant x is 1 over cosine, right? You know that, right?
Yeah.
So you can do part A already.
Okay.
Part B should also be easy with triangle, and part C is slightly difficult because of the minus. So warm up with this first, right? You won't be facing any problem, pretty sure, right? So I'll help you along the way if you do. Yeah,
wait,
so,
actually not done. There's another thing. So this is the new worksheet that he gave out, and I want for the earlier few lessons, we've been kind of playing catch up. So I want to show you this because this is what we're going to be doing for the next week.
This you know already.
No,
This
no,
you know already.
this is just the first page. No, I'm talking about the whole worksheet.
Right. No, do you know this already? This is the transition. This is the transformation one.
Oh, this is transformation. I haven't looked at it.
Look at that. A sine bx plus c. That's transformation. You know how to do this already. You don't worry. Correct?
Oh.
You can do this. I guarantee you, you can eat this. You can eat this worksheet. No problem one. Guarantee you. It's very easy for you right now. Really, it's very easy right now. You just have to get used to it. You already know how to do harder than this. Look, sine x plus 1. Can you do that? Of course you can. Look, flip. Sine x plus 1. Can you do sine x plus 1?
Of course.
Of course you can. Flip until the end. Quickly. See. Now they explain all this to you. A, B, C. But you know already what? 3, 2 sine x. You can what? Okay, no rush. You understand? No rush. Yeah. Right? Do the homework first. Right? Okay, yeah. Aryan. Okay.
Give me something.
Right. So I'm copying yours. So this. So you don't have any hint after you draw this circle. Nothing new.
Yeah, I can't. Is it like one of the circle the rules like chord?
You might be tempted with that, but when I think about it, I realize that this is even easier than that. Even easier than that. Now your circle is fine. Yeah? Your circle drawing is fine. Yeah? So I'm trying to. How do I hint you? My goodness, right? Okay, so the OT is diameter, right?
Yeah.
The OT is diameter. Now, okay, pick a point which is going to be the center of that circle, right? Because the center for a circle is the most important thing. So pick a point. Okay. So even though it's random, at least you try to make it in the middle, right? So good. So again, obviously, you shouldn't assume that it is on the first circle. That's a good assumption, right? It's a good assumption. So let's call this center, I don't know, O prime. Let's call it O prime, right? Okay, labeling is always good, right? Prime. And then he wants the circle to go through A and B, right? So do you notice what's with O prime, A O prime, B O prime, T O prime? Do you
Wait, P O prime?
First O prime, right? O prime is radius, right? And then T O prime also the radius, correct, right? Obviously, right?
Yeah.
T O prime, right? And then but A O prime, B O prime, right?
A O prime, yeah.
A O prime also the radius, B O prime also the radius, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm really trying to give you a hint here. How am I supposed to do that? Oh wait, I take my word back. No, I take my word back. It will have something to do with the angle chord property, meaning the EMAT guy. It does have something to do with that, the EMAT guy. So AMAT is not helping you for this one, but I think EMAT is going to be very helpful. Do you need more hints?
Yeah, I'm not.
All right. So again, you just have to activate your EMAT. Huh? Before that, Ainesh, how come I'm not seeing anything? Sorry. Aryan, I lost your video. Huh? Ainesh, what's going on here? Are you trying the homework question too?
Oh, you meant the homework question too? Oh.
Yeah, the homework question too. Please.
Okay.
I asked you to do that just now. Homework question two, please. On paper. I want to follow.
Yeah.
Right. We already half an hour through. Yeah. At least get some good thing going on here. So Aryan, look at how am I supposed to? Okay. How am I supposed to give you a hint, right? Okay. So okay, the center angle AO prime B, right, Aryan? AO prime B. That's the center angle, right? AO prime B, right? That's a center angle, right?
Yeah.
Right. What's the relationship between the angle and the
Oh, angle of
AEB?
circumference is 2 times.
Okay, so there's that relationship, right? Okay, and I'm asking you to relate that with AOB also. AOB
So
also, right?
BOA is
AOB.
supposed to be
Ah.
twice of BO prime A.
Correct. But you don't have O prime. That's the problem. You don't have O prime. What you have is AOB and ATB, meaning you have O and you have T. You don't have O prime. The O prime is just there to help you think. You should focus on the O and the T, and there's a relationship between them. That's a very good start, Ainesh. Yep. So you're using your lecture note. Very good. And then use your triangle if you need to, right? Again, Aryan. Look at O, look at T. AOB, ATB. There's a relationship between them. EMATH circle.
AOB, ATB.
You don't think there's a relationship between them?
I'm not really sure.
Really? What relationship do you learn in EMATH? Like the perimeter is the center is twice the perimeter. You did say that, right?
Corresponding angles. No, I mean, sorry, the angles in the same segment.
Okay. So what is the relationship with AOB and ATB? What is it?
Sorry?
What is the relationship between AOB and ATB if you see it?
Is it the angles in out segments are supplementary?
Meaning if they add them up, they become?
180.
That only happens in a circle.
Oh, yeah.
Not in another way, but only in circle. And that you can use for below. That's the AMAT part. They're phrasing it very complicated, right?
Oh,
if you can prove that AOB plus ATB is 180, circle. Because it only happens in circle. Okay?
Yeah.
So good, Ainesh. You're starting the first one done. I think there's a minus, right? Ainesh, I think the cosine there's a minus, right?
Oh yeah.
You're rushing too much, you're missing minuses. No. What are you talking about? Why are you putting the minus there? Yeah. Not good, missing minus, not good.
Yeah.
Could you try that, Arya? Could you try that?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, try, see whether that works for you. You're choosing this as quadrant 3, yeah? Quadrant 3, not 4. I guess I can. Okay, this is not making any sense. The 1 is minus, I agree, Ainesh. How come the 4 is not minus?
Oh yeah. It is not even home.
Then it doesn't make sense, right? Because it is positive 1/4, right? So currently you're saying that the cosine is minus 1/4. Sorry, because I forget your question. That's what the question say, right? Cosine is minus 1/4, correct? Correct. Let me see. Yeah. And he's telling you that it's a quadrant 3. No, he's telling you it's either quadrant 3, quadrant 4. But if cosine is minus, it must be in quadrant 3 lah. That must be true lah. And you are drawing in quadrant 3, so there must be something wrong. Maybe let's find out what's wrong. Let's see our triangle one more time. Oh, I know what's wrong. No, I know what's wrong already. I know what's wrong. Your triangle, there's a mistake, and I want you to figure it out. So your quadrant 3 is correct. Yeah, that's a good news. Your triangle, something wrong.
I drew in the wrong place.
If you can fix that, if you know what's the mistake.
So all along quadrant 3 has been here.
No. The place that you draw is correct. No, the place you draw is correct. It's quadrant 3, and you draw it at the right quadrant. But you did something wrong with your triangle. And I want you to figure it out.
What do I do?
I cannot tell you. If I tell you that I'm smart, that's not what you need. Aryan, any chance of figuring out?
I'm not sure how to prove it actually.
Okay, try labeling first. I suppose try labeling lah. And the parallelness, you may want to use it. I'm guessing the parallelness will be useful. I'm guessing, right? So with pencil, please, with pencil, exam, pencil, label with X or something. Let's start with X or whatever, right? And go to that. Okay, Ainesh, are you looking at the question but still struggling?
Yes.
What were you trying to draw? I'm trying to give you a hint without spoiling it at you. You gotta figure this out yourself, okay? So what are you trying to draw just now?
A triangle, triangle.
I know. But because you're trying to draw, what does the question give you?
They gave me cosine.
Good. Cosine something equals to -1 over 4.
Oh my
Right?
god.
Okay, good. Very good. You figured it out. That's why. You see, that's why? You see.
I'm so disappointed.
Yeah. But your quadrant 3 is correct. Don't be too disappointed. You understand? No?
Yeah.
Your quadrant 3 is correct. The way you draw is correct. Your -1 was correct.
Yeah.
But you just missed the 4. Okay lah. Forgive yourself, right? Okay, and that one is a negative, which I think will be good. Okay, so what you want is the sine x. So let's see what happens. And you're still messing with the negative too much. I feel that you're not respecting the negative enough. That will come back to haunt you. Yeah? Be careful there.
Yeah.
Right. Can you confirm this with the calculator? I'm
No,
also
it's not
trying.
done, right?
Oh, well, you can rationalize. Yeah.
It told me to do this.
And you're still messing with the negative. What's going on here? You don't like negatives.
I don't know, so I keep doing this, but yeah.
Right. Okay. Now, can you confirm that? This is good. I like rationalization. You have some certs going on here. I like it. Now, how can you confirm? To give yourself confidence, how can you confirm this? Is it possible to confirm this?
I mean, you could find out what x is.
Yes, which they forbid, but you can. You can do that. You should do that.
Okay.
Tell me what's x. How is it, Aryan? Any progress so far?
What's
The
the
labeling
rule?
is x. I love.
What's the rule about the chords, the tangents? When they extend, they make a isosceles triangle.
They do lah.
Go for that.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to see. I'm sorry, there's something that I'm a bit confused here. So I'm gonna take a picture. So Ainesh, can you figure out x using calculator?
Yeah.
Right.
Wait,
What is
no.
x? No.
The minus. There's not supposed to be any minus here.
So tell me what's your x?
X is, according to the calculator, is 104.4 something. But that's cos of the
What degree? Sorry, what degree is that?
104.5 degrees Celsius.
-104. -104.
No. The degree is 105.
Now 105 doesn't sound like it's in quadrant 3.
Yeah, but you know how it's equivalent, right?
No, give me the quadrant 3 value. This is an important revision. It feels that you're still confused there. It does feel to me like that.
No, I'm just making sure of the calculator, but I can find out what it is.
Find the x in quadrant 3, please. Find the x in quadrant 3. Right. Aryan, how come this is x?
Sorry?
How come this guy is x in the Jamboard?
Which one?
Jamboard. Do you see
Angle
any page 6?
Angle BAT.
Yeah. What is that x?
Angles and alternate segments.
Am I? Oh no. What? Oh no. Yeah. That's the new guy. I'm so sorry. What am I talking about? That's the new guy, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
Right. So I agree. Once this is x and this is now x also, right? So all you have to do is, well, can't say it's all you have to do, but But this is a tangent, right? This is a tangent, isn't it? That's a tangent, right? So you know that this will be 90 degree lah. You know that, right? Did you make use of that? Maybe that will be helpful for you to find this. Maybe. Because this one is already what? What is this guy? This guy is, what you wrote there is 180 minus 2x. So you have to, yeah, you are 180 minus 2x plus x equals to 180 ma.
Yeah.
But then you have proven that they are complementary, no?
Yeah, but how do I prove that this is 180 minus 2x?
Oh, the isosceles triangle. This thing is isosceles what?
Yeah, but then like I need to know the
Oh,
rule.
you need to prove that it is isosceles. Sorry, yeah. Let me go to Ainesh. Are you okay or not? It seems that you're stuck with finding x.
No, I'm not stuck. It's
So tell me what is it? Sorry?
255.
255. 1/4. Let me think. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. Okay, 255. Good. Now, so if you press 1 over sine 255, right? What do you get?
1 over sine 255.
Right. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to confirm that, right? So you get some sort of negative number, right? 1 over sine 255, negative number, correct?
No, it's a positive number.
Show me your calculator, please.
Oh, wait 1 second. Okay. So 1 by sine. Yeah, I got a negative number.
Now, show me the calculator, please. Show me. Now, this number, yours in degree, right? Sorry, yeah. Right. So this number, who are you supposed to compare with, for confirmation?
The answer over here. Just
all right. Go ahead. Compare that.
Yeah, it's the same.
Right. Then, this serious question. Do you feel better when you realize that they are the same?
Yeah.
If this happened in exam, would you feel better?
Of course.
Good. Now you have the hardest question, which is C. The hardest one is because it is minus x. I feel that it is still a very memorizing part to you, right? Okay. I think again, if it is a memorized part, you should refer to your lecture note. If you can handle that and you're correct, then very good job. That's our warm-up today.
Yeah.
Right. Please try to do that. So Aryan, I will actually do it differently. Aryan. Aryan, I'll actually try to do it differently.
Okay.
So Aryan, I'll try to do it differently, right? So let's say I don't care that this is x. Let's say I don't care. Of course, it is x, yeah, of course. But I don't care that it's x. Instead, I'll be using 90 degrees. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Then and then it's almost too easy to prove already, right?
Yeah.
It's okay. So I'll just use that, even though it is very nice for you to see that this is x. That's going to be useful maybe in another question.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So try to do that, and I think for part C is easy lah. Okay. So Ainesh, why are you not writing anything?
No, I'm checking what chord is 10. And I'm checking if like 10 is negative or not. Like, you know how cosine, you can't make it negative.
Okay, cotangent 1 over tangent minus x, and this is the time where you have to refer to your worksheet lah for now, right? Because you have to deal with tangent minus x. What is tangent minus x supposed to be, right? It should be okay. Right. Hopefully this is correct because now you can use a triangle, right? Please don't make the minus mistake. Please slow down and be careful. Now, Aryan, if this is not the only question, I think you can do it by yourself already. Maybe we move on to the next question first. Maybe you can finish it after tuition.
Sorry?
Maybe you can finish this question after tuition, right? Because I think you can do it already, right? If you have another problem, I think we should discuss that problem instead. Obviously, these questions are not easy, so good for you, huh? Have you tried this question or this is new?
Yeah, this is new.
All right. Okay. Oh, that means that question just now is the only question you have.
Sorry?
Do you have any other question ready? Not new one.
No.
All right. Then let's just do this one.
Yeah.
Okay, Ainesh. Right. So, okay, Ainesh. Don't wait for me. You check first. So let's say this is exam. I'm gonna use your calculator to check. You know what is x. So let's see what's happened.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not even close.
Show me, please.
This is my answer.
And then
This is what the actual answer is.
let me just confirm that x is still 255, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay, the calculator is a bit weird. Show me a calculator again. Show me a calculator. So in your calculator, please type tangent 255, is it? Yeah, please type tangent 255.
I mean, it's not exact. The x, what did I did was
I understand. 255 will be that.
about the same.
Right. This is very similar to your root 15, right? What's going on here? Oh my goodness, I know what's your mistake. I mean, you made two mistakes. You made two mistakes. So notice that actually, if you notice that the root 15 is somehow close to tangent 255 instead of cotangent 255. In your case, it is not a fluke. There is something wrong that you did. And this confirmation is telling you, wait, you better check again. Better check.
Mm-hmm.
You are missing something, but it's not everything wrong.
Can you give me a hint, please?
You're trying to do tangent for the triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is my first hint. It's a very slight hint, but that's the smallest hint I can give you already. You're trying to do tangent.
Oh my god. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm tired or something.
You do sound very tired. You do sound.
Right.
You do sound very tired.
Oh. Sorry.
Okay, all right, and then you would have settled the first mistake the second mistake.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. If you want to rationalize, go ahead. Rationalizing is not a bad thing to do. Go ahead. Aryan, just checking you're progressing here.
Yeah.
All right, sure. All right. Now, Ainesh, notice that your answer here is a minus, correct? I'm very happy with it because the calculator did show that it is supposed to be minus.
Yeah.
Now, what bothers me is that your original answer, of course, there's some mistake in it, but your original answer is not minus as the final answer.
This one?
But your original answer has no minus as the final answer.
I don't know.
Even though the one before has a minus, so be very careful.
Yeah.
Again, it's a minus issue. So I'm pretty sure that this means you're tired. This does mean that you're tired.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right, no problem. Now, I might not have communicated this yet. I might not, but I want all my students to rest on Friday nights and Saturday morning at the very least.
I'll have CC on Friday nights and Saturday mornings I have school.
You my goodness. How come Saturday you have school? What's going on here?
Mother tongue. I have to take mother tongue out of school because my school doesn't provide.
Yeah, this happens to a lot of people, including Aryan, my Indian.
Yeah.
You do not have a rest day, Ainesh.
Yeah, I don't, because usually every Sunday I have to go out to do projects and stuff.
This is also common with my Indian students.
Yeah.
But you break down this way. You're not a robot. Now let's recap the good news. The future, the upcoming worksheet. Okay, you have absolutely no problem doing it in school, even though they rush. You will not.
Yeah.
So we don't have to worry about that. Okay, right? We just have to worry about the cert a little bit and your homework.
Yeah.
Okay. So considering your homework, and right now we are short of time and we cannot discuss a lot. We can probably discuss one more question. When can you do your homework? Considering your weekend.
I suppose Saturday when I get back.
Oh dear. Right. Okay. Oh. No.
No.
Saturday night, you rest.
No, my parents won't allow that. They'll make me do work, so at least I get the homework done.
If you can get it, never mind. Yeah. Okay. So even though it is not practical right now, I don't know. I still want to say, as a human being, you do need rest, meaning to say you need a time where you don't do work. Right? If you can do that, then better to do that before you do your homework, at least for AMAT. Yeah. If you can. If you cannot, don't worry. But I still have to say that to you first, out of respect for you as a human being. Okay. Right. Now, we have 10 more minutes. You make a choice. We do cert from the last one, or we do another homework question. Your choice.
I guess we do another homework question.
All right, you choose. You choose. I'll help you. Aryan, any is it difficult so far?
Yeah.
Right. So again, show me the question. Show me the question one more time. Move down a bit. Sorry, move down. Move down. Right. So Ainesh, choose your question, please. Right. You do need to show me so that I can see.
Yeah. No, I don't know which one.
If you cannot choose, then show it to me at least.
Yes, please. Very indecisive.
The first one you can do yourself. That's just what we did yesterday. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So I'll leave that to you. Remember to convert the radian to degree when you feel uncomfortable. Right. Question three. The minuses are bothering you, except that they have an additional note there. The additional note will allow you to do it no problem. This is a triangle question, and if you treat the triangle, sorry?
What is it? What's there a star there? Oh, no.
I'm not sure, but the note is very helpful in this question tree, meaning to say it suddenly becomes very manageable for you. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So I'm asking you, you want to do 4 or 5 now? You choose. If not, I'll choose for you.
Yeah, can you choose, please?
Okay. Do question 4. Good question. It is still a triangle question. So start with triangle first. Okay, for you, Aryan. Yeah? Okay, so at least you start with a circle, yeah, Aryan. Yeah, good. Actually, Aryan, I will probably consider the same thing first, like, right? So either there's a two option here, either this plus this 180 or this plus this 180 also. That one also works. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So either one works, you may have to try both, right? If you're stuck, then tell me. Have you tried both?
Sorry.
Have you tried both?
I'm just not sure how to like find the other ones.
Have you tried? No, I don't mean both by both red, but I mean try blue also. Blue, if you prove blue pair to be 180, that also works. It doesn't have to be the red pair. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but the blue one I can't find the full angle.
You're saying that the blue one gives you even more problem, yeah?
Yeah.
I guess that's fine. I guess that's fine. Now, before you continue, assume that that is the result you get from A lah. So the red pair will be plus 180 together, and then the blue pair also 180 together. See whether you can use that for B and for C lah. See that first, right? So in exam, if this is your problem, you should do that lah. Oh, maybe I'll just take A into B first lah. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ainesh, are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, more space. Good. You're using some labeling. Yeah, good. Okay, Ainesh, I'll try to focus you. Yeah. So start the triangle, please.
Yeah. 3 pi 2.
Yeah. What's 3 pi over 2?
So this is quadrant 4.
Agreed. So we start from there.
I find the value. Oh.
Suddenly it doesn't look so difficult, right? Suddenly, right?
Well, it's quite.
Try first. I think your difficulty will be the third, which is the final step, not the starting step. The starting step, I think you can definitely do something. So, yeah. Aryan, I acknowledge that this is a difficult question. Yeah. Now, are you sure there's nothing else to do lah for exam? Even your exam probably won't be this hard. I feel. Are you sure this is the only question that you have to deal with?
Yeah.
All right, sure. I mean, that's not a bad news lah. I would say it's not a bad news. Okay, fine. So TPQ equals to TCA, right? TPQ is similar to TCA. Okay, right. I think we'll be using the new guide. So just make sure that I see everything. Good, Ainesh. Yep, good. That should be the right thing to do. Okay, Iran, tell me, your X start where? Sorry, tell me where does your X start for A?
This is my X.
Okay, you start from this one, is it? So yeah. Your X start here. Then your second X will be which one? Just to confirm. Okay, I agree with that. Then what's your third X?
I can't really find a third X yet.
Then how come all these X's are X also? That doesn't make sense.
That's Y.
Oh, it's Y. Oh my goodness, right. So Y, and Y lah, right? Is it? I can follow this Y and Y. Let me just check with you. Why is this Y? Like what is this guy? What is that guy? If I can just check with you lah.
So this one?
Yeah, what is that guy?
That's Y.
So how come this is Y? If you could confirm with me.
Angles in Outside.
Angle what? How come this is equal to that or this is equal to that? I don't get it. There must be a reason, but what is the reason? Okay, Ainesh, so you are here. Let me just check. Yeah. So yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, good. Now, so as you can tell, Ainesh, your problem is now third law. Okay. So you will not be able to absorb this fully. I'll just show you first so that we can repeat on Sunday. Okay. Are you seeing your Jamboard on page 20?
Okay.
So after this, you're just going to stop and rest for today.
Yes. Okay.
So I am simply rationalizing because that's the only thing to do when I see cert at the bottom. It is going to be a more complicated rationalizing. Still, it is born out of the hatred of having cert at the bottom. That's all there is. Okay. Okay. So before you do that, I'm going to make my life easier. Oh, wait a minute. The bottom one is very easy. Okay. So this one, can I accept? I just factorize the minus. Can Ainesh? Ainesh, can you hear me?
Yeah,
I
you can do
factorize
that.
right. Okay, then I can do one more thing because I noticed that this is root 3 and root 3. I noticed that the bottom one
On
will
the top, you
become.
can take 1/2.
Oh, I can. If you want to, that's also great. Yeah. If you notice that, I'll do that for you. Yeah. I do like this lah. If you can accept that, I'm very happy. The bottom one, even better news because having two things are complicated connected with a positive. But so it turns out I can make it into one immediately just for this question. I find that to be a very big news because
Is it some sort of thing?
no. I didn't do any sort here. I'm just doing a simple fraction. Your problem, I just do a simple fraction. Okay?
Oh.
Root 3 and root 3 over 2, right? So this is 1 root 3, this is half root 3, right? So I just 3 over 2 root 3.
Oh.
Right? Which is good for us, right? This is good, I want to handle this, not that, right?
Yeah.
Rationalizing this would be easy. Yeah. Rationalizing will be easy. So give it a try. So Aryan, I believe we are still stuck, yeah? So again, let me confirm one more time. So are you sure that this is y? Okay, because I cannot see the reason.
Yeah, I don't think that's why.
Okay. So let's at least cancel that first. But at least here we have y plus x, right? So yeah, admittedly, we don't have much going on here. I'll take my time to look at this question, Aryan, because I'm not seeing anything yet, but I have a feeling that we're missing something here. Ainesh, you can do it on paper if you want to, yeah? You can,
Okay.
How did 1 plus half happen? No, never mind. Yeah? You just continue with this, right? You just have to rationalize the root 3 and everything. I think it will be quite easy for you to complete this question. Now, for Sunday, I expect that you can finish from 1 to 4, but that's because I think you have the capability already. Okay. 5 may give you a problem, so try your best for 5. Okay, Ainesh?
Yeah.
Again, if possible, give yourself a rest. Okay. I pray for that. Okay. Take care, Ainesh. I'll see you on Sunday. Okay.
Yeah. Good night.
Right. Good night. So, Aryan, do you have to submit this tomorrow? Aryan, do you have to submit this tomorrow?
No.
Sorry, Aryan. Oh, okay. No. Right. So I'm just making it bigger.
Oh, wait,
I'm just
yeah.
Actually, yeah. Right. I mean, if you cannot solve this, no shame, understand?
Yeah, I'm
no
good.
Shame, no shame.
I think I might ask my teacher tomorrow.
Yeah, if that happens. But I'm just looking at it. Now, if you have to stop now, I think it's not a bad idea because you need to rest. Yeah, you need to rest.
Yeah.
Right. Tomorrow also rest, okay?
Yeah.
Tomorrow also rest. On Sunday, what should we be doing considering the exam? Yeah.
E-math revision. Yeah.
So you're saying that we are prioritizing AMAT and EMAT for exam. No worries on chemistry, no worries on physics.
Yeah, because I've not really gotten any dates yet. So I don't think they'll be conducting an examination.
Oh, we're just concerned with AMAT and EMAT.
Yeah.
Okay, at least tell me what's going on with physics and chem, at least tell me.
Yeah, chem, it's like at the end of organic chem.
Okay. Which, are you having any problem?
No, it's going quite smoothly. Yeah.
You're doing all the polymer thingy, right? Which
Yeah.
right? So all this stuff, right? So for OChem, if you go through it smoothly, you should go immediately to practice. The practice will give you a small shocks, which is preparing for exam. Just saying, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Good. And how about physics?
Physics, we are at EQ generator.
How does that? How does that work for you?
I mean, it's going quite okay.
All right.
Like
We'll just wait.
Better.
We'll go for the practice then.
Yeah.
Later lah. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll be happy to do revision email with you. You'll be practicing first lah, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Good job for today still.
Yep.
I will see you on Sunday.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, correct. They both left already, is it?
Yeah.
All right. How is it for them?
There's this question Mike gave, right? It's very weird. I don't know what I'm missing. Do you want to see?
In the Jamboard, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. At least let me try to understand first. Maybe answer later.
Page 19.
19 vectors. Oh yeah. Okay. So is it part B? Is it?
Yeah. So okay, I wrote all the. So basically, what they're asking that the velocity, acceleration, and displacement of x is given, and then
sorry. Before we start, so The x is from A.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then
Then they give the acceleration of y, which is 2 minus 6t. And then when integrate that, you get 2t minus 3t squared plus c. And then they say initial velocity. So t equals 0, v equals to 2. So just sub in, then vy is the equation.
Right. And then you go for displacement.
Yeah, which is t
Because
squared
collision,
minus
right?
t cubed plus 2t plus constant.
Right. And then the constant is?
From what I read, right, they say so a second particle y moves along the same line as x and starts from O. Right. So
because x also starts from O?
No, x starts from 28, I think, because the SX.
Yep. Start from 28.
Yeah.
Good. Okay,
so
good.
I just say t equals 0, s equals 0, but I don't know. Is it correct?
Because starting from O,
So the looks of it should be correct, right? So s equals to that. So then they ask when is it collide, right? So when they collide, sx equals to sy, right?
Let me think again. So the positives must be the same here. I hope so, yeah. All right. So they're equal then?
Then I just equal to each other, but then I don't get the answer.
So 7/3 is not the answer.
The
answer is 1/3.
Right? Yeah.
So determine whether or not x and y are traveling in the same direction. Oh, no, never mind. That was never. I'm checking. I'll check it out, yeah. Okay, because the math seems to match, but I don't know whether there's a reading problem.
So I don't know if it's the English wrong or the answer is just wrong.
Right. But at least we confirm. Oh no, never mind. The s of x must always be correct. Given already. Sorry. Okay. Now we will just check it out. Don't worry. Okay, then.
And do you have like next time to go through like the CG, FCG, all that stuff, or do you want me to just pass it on to you?
What's CG, FCG, sir?
The thing just now.
Oh, that's called FCG. Oh, it's called plane geometry, is it?
I don't know.
I also don't know. Yeah, but
and FCG too.
I can tell you that I can tell you what Ariane was is already the hard question. So I don't mind revising you a bit, just a bit. Just take your time to revise a bit, right? Yeah, I don't mind. I mean, I just solved Ariane's question, and it is difficult. I have to take time to solve it outside class, but I just solve it when you enter, right? Both of them,
Okay.
So, sure. Yeah, good. We'll revise next time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for today. And did you explain to Noah?
He said already. He said he got it already.
How did he get it? Did he explain?
He didn't say. I think his teacher went through. Then he was doing an EMF paper, so I just let him do.
Okay. All right. I'll see you on Sunday.